Alright, welcome to day 2 of cooking HelloFresh meals. Again, not sponsored. I am a little sick. I missed work for the past 2 days, which you'd think would be awesome, but yesterday I was dying inside. Today's food is actually a lot less calories. It is yogurt marinated chicken with garlic sauce plus lemony couscous and chili roasted carrots. We already got everything out. I'm a lot more prepared this time. Chicken cutlets. All right. Oh. There. All right, let's get started. I hate dealing with chicken. It is awful. I hate it, but we're gonna do it. Preheat the oven to 425. Okay, so pat chicken dry paper towel. So what I did is I got this just in case, and that's the rest of the paper towel. That's great. All right, so we're going to double it. Remember, chicken is not safe, and you want to make sure that the chicken and the vegetables are completely separate. Wash your hands before you touch anything else. Yeah. For an example, if you want to be able to open chicken, you see all those juices in there? Not good. When you cut this open, put this in the sink. Do not use this on anything else. The whole thing. Just make it easier on myself. All right, put this in the sink. We're not going to touch it anymore. This is why I hate chicken. I hate cooking chicken. I'm going to try and keep the juices in the bag. There's one piece. 2 pieces. Now, I'm not going to touch anything else. I'm going to throw this out. Okay. I'm going to pat it dry. This is why I got the cutting board, because if I did this directly on the counter, it would have leaked directly through. Here you go. Dried chicken. Yay. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to mince the garlic and do stuff with the lemon out of the way. I know it's a Minecraft bowl, leave me alone. Tunisin, half the yogurt, I'm assuming this is yogurt, half the garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, that's a lot of salt. That's marinate. This does not look like enough. Alright. Pretty good. So I'm gonna let it marinate. I'm gonna wash these off because I don't want to have to use them for the oven. No, I could just be insane. And this is what's supposed to be. Roughly chop the cilantro.
Can I ask you something real quick? How do you feel about kayaking?
I hate carrots.
Why?
It wants me to put it on the top rack for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna put the sour cream. This is what it looks like without water. I think it's time for cooking. Oh, jeez. Alright, remove chicken from marinade. Allow excess to drip off. Add chicken to pan and cook until brown and cook through 6 to 8 minutes per side. Luckily, the pan is just perfect. Can you get the carrots out of the oven?
I'm using a recipe out of a book. Coco Skellington from The Nightmare Before Dinner by Zach Niels. So, this one right here, we bought it. It's crap. It calls for gin, white rum, creme de coconut, orange bitters, lime juice, and it also calls for a zest of orange. I don't have orange, unfortunately, so there will be no orange zest. The props of working in a hospital is I can get exact measurements with this little baby right here, which is exactly what you all think it is. However, it's not been used on a patient, of course. This came from a sterile package that was used just for training purposes and then subsequently thrown out. So this is a perfectly clean...
I peed in it.
You did not pee in it.
I did.
It's simple. It's calling for an ounce of just about everything. Should be roughly an ounce. That's the annoying thing about cream coconut, is it always like solidifies for me. I'm gonna need to organize that down there. I'll see if I feel like it needs more. There we go. Minus the zest, of course.
Or the whipped cream, apparently.
There's no whipped cream. That's just that.